I am Cathy Harris. My website is cathyharrisinternational.com. Our organic food movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Welcome to my backyard. Now today I want to talk about placing your raised beds. Now first of all, what you're looking at right here is two water holes. And the reason that we put two water holes together was so it can reach our raised beds. So one of the first things you want to decide about when you decide to do raised bed gardens, you have to put it close to a water source. So we have two water hoses that reaches our raised bed. The next thing you want to look at when you're placing your raised bed, you need to make sure that they have 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Now, green foods are the Olympians of your crops. However, green foods need at least 8 hours of sunlight. So when you decide to place your raised beds, you need to make sure that they are going to have at least 6 to 8 hours, 8 preferably, of direct sunlight. And right here, the reason we have these raised beds placed like they are getting direct sunlight. All three of them. Now I'm going to go over here because we also have room to put one more raised bed. And hopefully this winter, we could go ahead and put a raised bed over here. We actually have room for a lot of raised bed gardens. We don't have any shade trees in our yard, so our yard is ideal for raised bed gardens. So understand that. On this side of the shed, usually during most of the day, you don't get a lot of sunlight. But over here, you get a lot of sunlight. So you need to place your raised beds where they are going to get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight.